Today we're looking at BUR2 armor-based seam repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Existing seam problems can be found in mod bit, BUR cap sheet, and self-adhered membranes. Let's look at a 3-course repair method. To start, always clean the surface. Apply APOC 583 armor base by pouring out a line and spreading with a brush or roller along the seam. Measure and apply a piece of 483 polyester fabric. Using a brush or roller, embed 6-inch 483 polyester fabric into the 583 base. Using a brush or roller, apply a top coat of APOC 583 armor base. Using industrial shears, cut the polyester, ensuring it does not go past the patch. Now your APOC BUR2 armor-based seam repair is complete. After full cure, for UV protection, or as part of a restoration system, apply a top coat of APOC reflective coating. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.